If you are dreaming of a clean, organized space for your home, with overflowing spring cleaning clutter, we understand the struggle. And for business owners, more than regular trash disposal is needed for big projects. Extra waste means extra time and hassle for managing debris removal. That's where Northland Dumpsters steps in, offering convenient and efficient dumpster rental in Overland Park, Kansas. We offer a variety of dumpster rental options to fit your specific residential or commercial needs. Our dumpsters are clean, convenient, and delivered right to your location. Toss in your unwanted items, and we'll take care of the rest. We pride ourselves on punctuality and efficiency. You can count on us from pickup delivery to make your rental experience seamless and stress-free. We ensure that your waste is disposed of responsibly, recycling whenever possible to contribute to a cleaner, greener community. Don't let trash take over your space or your schedule. Visit our website at www.northlanddumpsters.com. Dumpster rental Overland Park KS, or call us today at 816-588-7819 to speak to a friendly dumpster rental expert. Northland Dumpsters. Cleaning up Overland Park, one dumpster at a time.